The 2011 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, four-wheel ABS, dual front airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, automatic stability control, cruise control, keyless entry, child safety locks, fog lamps, power windows, power door locks, security system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cloth seats, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors, tinted glass, cup holders. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.